Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the piece and getting your materials ready. Put on gloves and eye protection and ventilate the area. Safety first. Clean the metal thoroughly so the dirty down verdigris adheres. Degrease with acetone or 70% alcohol, then abrade lightly for tooth. Once done, shake or stir the verdigris and apply a thin, even coat with a natural bristle brush or soft rag. Work quickly to avoid streaks, because this first layer sets the base tone and adhesion. Once the base is on, you build depth through controlled layering. Apply subsequent coats after 10 to 20 minutes when tacky but not fully cured. This helps layers fuse without lifting. Use a sponge or dry brush technique to lift pigment and create organic texture, and alternate thin washes and heavier applications to mimic natural verdigris patterns. Make small mixes, water for more translucency, a little binder for permanence, to vary color intensity. This combination is why aged-looking patina finish by allowing the verdigris to cure 24 to 48 hours, then seal with a compatible matte or satin varnish to protect and unify the surface. Make sure to use light coats. Too much varnish can darken or gloss the patina. If you see flaking, sand the area gently, clean, and reapply thin layers to rebuild adhesion. And if color looks patchy, feather the edges with a solvent-dampened brush and relayer subtle washes until the tone reads even across the object.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.